everybody, I hope you're all good. Welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be giving you one of my favourite kinds of videos, which is a Poundland haul. You know me, love a good Poundland haul, like to go in there and get the kids snacks, get some toiletries and just different bits and pieces. And in this haul I'm really impressed with some of the stuff they've got in, because our local Poundland has just got a Pep & Co in it, which is like a clothing range, and I'll be honest, a lot of it isn't great, but I did have a few good finds in there which I'm going to show you in a sec. But yeah, I'm not going to ramble on too long. If you're new, hit subscribe, you know the drill, and let's just get into it. Okay, disclaimer here, I've not got this in like little piles. I'm just going to literally go in the bag and pick out the first thing, which seems to be something pretty boring, which is just microwave containers. We needed some of these. We like to try and make as much food as possible in one go and then batch cook, so we need some of these to pop things in the freezer or take them out for lunches and stuff, so just got some of them. Next thing I got was just some kids paracetamol. I know you can get this on the Minor Ailments, but I just bought it because it is only £1 and I don't see the point in going and getting it on Minor Ailments when I can just pay £1 for it myself and get as many as I need. So yep, I've got 2 of these, the other ones in the other bag. I also got 3 packets of Huggies wipes because you can never go wrong with too many wipes. We use these all the time, and we also have one in each car because emergency wipes are always a must. So yeah, got some Huggies wipes. Totally random, but I got 2 packs of 10 refuse sacks, and these ones are the ones that got the drawstrings. I can't stand really cheap bin liners, so yeah, I got these big huge ones which have the drawstrings on them because they don't burst, so these are really good. And although Charlie eats the same meals as us, I did get him some of these little Heinz little kids sweet potato and lean beef hot pots because they're from age 1 to 3 years, and also they're just really good to have in the changing bag. Ella really loves going in there and picking some stuff for bath time, and I don't know about you guys, but she is absolutely obsessed with tipping out shower gel, shampoo, anything like that, cream, anything. So yeah, if she's got her own one and she ends up tipping the whole thing out, then I don't get as annoyed because at least it's just hers and not my really expensive Elmis stuff or whatever. So anyway, I got her this Disney Princess Tangled Bath and Shower Bubbles. So it smells really nice. It's in a nice princess bottle. She just picked this one because she liked the little lizard that's on Rapunzel. She really liked that and I picked this up for her. And I also got this because it reminded me of being younger, and it was the L'Oreal Kids Strawberry Conditioner. It smells so amazing. It's like a strawberry milkshake, and it's the No More Tears, No More Knots Extra Gentle Formula Plus Detangler, which is really good for hair like Ella's. It tangles really easily, and I also just love the fact that it reminded me of when I was really little. I also got this for doing some of the wedding DIYs I've got planned, and also for replacing some pictures and putting some more up of Charlie. And it is the premium glossy photo paper. This is the A4 one, but I'm planning on doing lots of tiny pictures within one big print and doing it as a little photo collage, as a kind of memory tree on one of my wedding DIYs. I got this, it's 12 sheets in a pack, which is really good, and that's only a... Ow, that was really sore. Anyway, it's 12 sheets in a pack and that was only £1, which is really good value. And because I really like having that as a kind of backup, even as like a present or something, just to give a nice framed photograph, I got these 36 photo paper sheets. Again, £1, so cheap. I can't believe they're so cheap because they used to be really expensive for photo paper. But yeah, these are compatible with my printer, which is really handy. It's also a nice thing to just have to replace pictures you have around your home. Now, something I've seen for Fraser but never actually sprayed in the shop are these, and it is the Mario Falcone, or Falcone? Mario Falcone. What is his name? Mario Falcone. Why does it sound so weird when I'm saying it? Mario Falcone? Whatever his name is, you guys know G's brother Mario. He has a range, didn't even know this, but he has hairspray and also body spray and deodorant and lots of different things. Poundland have it, so I thought I'd pick these up for Fraser to try out because he does like bits and pieces, and like he's really into kind of like skincare and grooming and all that kind of thing. I think most guys are now. It's kind of like the modern man, isn't it? So yeah, thought he would give these a little bit of a go and see what they're like. Now let me actually spray this because this is the body spray and I've not sprayed it yet. It's really nice. At first it wasn't nice, but now it is nice. It's when you actually spray it inside the cap, it smells like alcohol, but when you spray it in the open air, It's actually really nice. I think you'll like that. It's just a body spray, so it's just to kind of like have maybe for going to work, so it doesn't have to use his aftershave all the time. The more I smell it, the more I love that. Actually, that is really nice. That's the kind of gold one. It also comes in black. I'm not sure what that scent is because again, didn't smell it, and they were also wrapped up in the shop. So yeah, that is really nice. I can actually, it keeps growing on me. It's actually really nice. And this is the hairspray for guys, because Fraser always uses my Illnet hairspray, but that has like a guy scent from it. It's not really feminine. Sometimes I worry that when Fraser uses my hairspray, he's going to smell like old women going to the bingo. Do you know what I mean? They don't do hairspray for guys, so yeah. Guys hairspray, this could be a total winner for him. Okay, so the new fragrance in our house just now is this. It's the Febreze Air Vanilla Latte, and it smells amazing. I don't want to spray it because I've got too many scents going on just now, but this is just amazing. It's like a lovely vanilla coffee, but not too overwhelming with the coffee. It's like a nice level of coffee smell. But yeah, I absolutely love this. It's £2 for this. It's in the kind of like more expensive range in Poundland, but yeah, love this so much. It is amazing and it lasts forever. Also got myself some little round cotton pads because I always need these for taking off makeup or taking off face masks and stuff, or even for the kids. So these are really handy, and I like to fill these up in my bathroom in a little container so that I've always got them to hand and I don't start taking my makeup off with face wipes. I actually do cleanse, tone and moisturise my skin because I've got these really handy in the bathroom at night. What the hell? Where did this come from? Wait, actually, where did that come from? I've got a random pepperami in the bottom of the Poundland bag. Please someone tell me where that came from, because that is really... like, I don't even buy these things. They actually freak me out. The advert, that little guy freaks me out so much. I need to get rid of this. Oh man, I feel like it's staring at me now. I cannot stand pepperamis. Why is that in my bag? It's like an actual full finger. Anyway, back to what I was doing. So, if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you'll probably already know that I am trying to follow Slimming World. Very much so trying to follow it. I'm kind of doing it and I'm not. I'm doing bits and pieces of it, which probably isn't the way to do it. But anyway, these are a lifesaver when I'm actually sticking to the Slimming World plan, because you can have 2 of these as one of your healthy extras. Love these. I got Jaffa Cake, I got Cherry Bakewell, and I got Banoffee, which are all my favourite flavours. I also picked up some shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to try this one out. It is the Dove Daily Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I never understand this, but they always do 250ml of the shampoo, 200ml of the conditioner. Now I know that's probably because you do use more shampoo than conditioner, but it just makes no sense because they're both the same price. Very annoying. But anyway, it smells amazing, and it's also white, which is good because it'll go nicely in my dispenser. It's in the bathroom and it smells amazing. Don't even know what the scent is, but it does smell really incredible. And these were £1 each. I also got 2 of these, which is the Dove Purely Pampering Nourishing Body Wash, and it is supposed to be for smoother skin because I've got quite dry skin, so hopefully this will help me out there. And I had to get 2 of them so it can properly fill my dispenser, which is 250ml each. And oh, I should have got more shampoo and conditioner then. Never mind. So yeah, got both of these. They smell amazing. It's kind of like a coconut type of scent, and it's coconut milk and jasmine petals. So yeah, very much a kind of moisturising coconutty scent, and I think these will be really nice. And also, to make sure my skin is really moisturised, I picked up this. Those were £1 each, by the way, but this was £2, and this is the Dove Purely Pampering Nourishing Lotion with shea butter and warm vanilla deep care complex for all skin types. But this is so moisturising, and it smells amazing. And what I actually wanted to pick up today while it was out, it's one of the things I wanted, was a lotion that was going to rub in really easily, and this does. It's like, sometimes I find it so difficult to come out of the shower, get dried, and then start lathering on a really thick moisturiser that takes forever to soak in. It's really difficult to move on your skin. I just wanted something that was going to be almost like After Sun. You know when After Sun is like gel and it just goes on so fast? That actually is the reason why I don't moisturise every time I come out the shower, because A, I don't have time, and B, it takes forever. So I really wanted something that was going to go on really fast, dry in quickly, and also smell amazing, which this does all of that. And I have used this before. It was a different formula, but I actually prefer this one now, and this was £2. There's the other paracetamol from earlier. And in terms of snacks, I got the kids rainbow drops. These are more for Ella than Charlie, to be honest, but they're just little small packs which I like. And when you look at the calorie and sugar and all that on the back, they are really not that bad at all, and they're just a nice little snack to have in the bag. And Ella also thinks these are a total treat because they are so multicoloured. I also got some of these McVitie's Ice Gems. Now let me tell you, I got these, but I did not pick these up. Ella put these in the basket without me looking, and then lo and behold, I go to unpack it and they're there. I used to love these when I was younger, and they are 100 calories per pack, which means I can have these on Slimming World and there'll be 5 sins, and they feel kind of nice treat because they've got the icing on top. So yeah, they'll be a nice little treat for Ella if she's been good. Something else I got, which was Snacker Jacks. I absolutely love the big Snacker Jacks. I think they're so much better than the packets, and they are 51 calories per Snacker Jack. They are just like a kind of caramel flavour, and these are my favourite ones. So yeah, got these, and these were £1. I also got some of these unscented tea lights. They're a 40 pack because I need these for using with my wax nails. I wanted unscented ones just because I want the scent of the wax nail to be the most dominant scent. How many times am I going to say scent in the room? Because yeah, I don't really want to be smelling the actual candle. I want to have the wax nail as the dominant scent. So I got these unscented ones, and for 40 in a pack for £1 is really good value. Now I'm going to move on to the thing that I'm most excited about, and to be honest, I would normally be really weird about showing this on a camera because it's underwear, but I have to show you because these are my absolute favourite types of underwear. They are so comfy, and honestly trying to find these exact type of bralettes that fit me properly and are comfortable and are lacy and have a little bit underneath that is lacy is so difficult without paying a fortune. I got one from La Senza years ago, like literally years ago, and I wear it all the time. It's so comfortable. I also got one from Marks and Spencer's, which again is comfortable but just isn't like this. And again, I paid a fortune for these, but these were £4. They're just little lacy bralettes, and I thought these are absolutely gorgeous. They've not got any underwiring. They're literally just like a slip-on crop top, but they have lace under them. And this is from this new range, Pep & Co, which again, as I say, isn't amazing. It's quite cheap looking clothing. It's not even like Primark cheap, it's just like cheap. Like, it's not great at all. But I seen these on one of the ends of the aisles, and I thought I really need to get these. They're amazing. So I got a medium. I'm not really sure what the sizing is going to be like, but that colour is just gorgeous. And even if it's not to be worn as an actual bra for the bra purpose, even if I was to wear a bra and then wear that on top of it so you can see the lace, if I was wearing like a lower cut top or something, these are just so nice. They were £4 each. So I got a kind of khaki green one, I got a cream one, and I also got a black one, and I just thought they were so nice. Even like that, if you wanted to wear one of them with like an open shirt and like a high-waisted skirt or something during the summer on holiday or something, I thought that was so nice. So £4 each for them, which is actually less than what I originally paid for the one that I had in La Senza. I think it was about £20 or something. And I also got matching underwear. Like, hold on a minute, this is from Poundland, matching underwear. It's amazing. And these were also on offer. It was like 3 for £5, which worked out really well. So I got these ones here. I'm not going to show you them like properly out because I think it's so weird showing underwear on the internet, but I got these little like sort of like shorty ones. So these are the ones that match the green, which is the exact same colour. These are the little like lace sides, which again are my favourite kind of underwear, lacy black ones. And then the same kind of idea with the short type ones, I got the lacy white ones. So yeah, it feels so weird that I've just shown you pants and bras on my Poundland haul, but had to show you that I got all of that there for £19. Like, that is amazing. So yeah, I am obsessed with those. I hope that they continue to do them because they fit really well and I just really like them. So anyway, that is the end of my Poundland haul for February, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you are new, then please remember, hit subscribe. It is free. It just means you're basically following me over here on YouTube. So yeah, if you do, let me know in the comments that you're new, say hello, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!